Tsotsi uvumile ukuthi aneketa invalid amabhizinisi embuso emniningwane luhlasela im-ISA lebelimane ukuthi ufaka ubani ubhodi Eskom njengomyalo lomnyala asebenzisana naye kaGupta. Lokhu kwenteke nanobe incwadi yakhe phambili lefungele ivete ukuthi akamanga inaka lemininingwane lebese yaphasiswa induna Lynn Brown. Tsotsi uchaza ukuthi Brown waveta ukuthi ulemukele luhlu lwe-ISA emhlanganweni obuhanjwe ngu-ISA noTony Gupta khalakhe Brown. Lokhu tamva ukuthi Tsotsi sekathumela amagama esikhashana abantu bekufanele bangenele ibhodi nasemakomitini langaphansi kwayo. Kuthola ibhodi lensha leyakhethwa ngo-2014 bekuyibhodi bakaGupta futhi isebenza ngemiyalo yalomndeni.
That might have been the case had it not been for the fact that she called me to her residence, whereupon I found her sitting with Tony Gupta and Salim Issa.
Yes.
And then she said to me that the version of the composition of the board subcommittees is what she had sent me. That is the version that she accepts.
Tsotsi uphinze ucisa Ntsolo etendiwa isikhulu saphambili se-Eskom Mathela Koko ukuthi bekafuna kumxosha ngesikhathi kumswe emsebenzini edikhulu letine elisetulu nga-2015. Kuthiwa Tsotsi nguyena bekahamba embili kumsweni emsebenzini edikhulu ekufaka ekhathi isikhulu saphambili setulu Tshidiso Matona. Laba labane bekufanele behle kuletikhundla nabasemele imiphumela eliphenyo lolutimele ngabo.
When I put the totality of these things together, Chairman, I say to myself, I think Mr. Machela is very disingenuous by alluding to some, conflict or something between us. I think this is designed to achieve whatever his intentions are. I think he wants to polarize the situation so that it becomes clear that I am pursuing him on the basis of a personal vendetta, which is not the case.
Kuthiwa letikhulu tasuswa kulenkampani yahulumende kuvilela isikhala labo abasebenzisana nemndeni kaGupta.